Are we excited? Yes, we are excited. Quick update of my construction with the cable wires. It's working. You cannot see anything, but it holds together, even though it wants to open. Why not, huh? Why not? Music. Salamat! Bye-bye! Alright, on the AOOCCI dashboard, it still says 0 bar on the front tire. So, I don't really know what's wrong. I don't know. But yeah, we are on the road again! And the worker in the hostel, or in my hotel, in my apartment, in my room, I don't know, in my kubo, I don't know how to name it, but she was so nice. I told her yesterday that my favorite food here in the Philippines is mongo beans, so she cooked mongo beans in the morning for me to take away. That's so cute. That's so cute. So I have lunch with me now, and I'm really happy about it. I cannot be happier about it. Wow. Crazy, what a bad spot to have a flat tire. Wow, I really love the Xpulse. I really love the Xpulse. It's so easy to handle. And I absolutely love it that it's quite a light bike. Oi. Because it has 159 kilograms, like 160. So it's super easy to go around with it. And you can definitely feel that it's fuel injected and that there are four valves on one cylinder, because it makes the bike so much stronger. Like compared to my Rusi with my carburetor, man, it's so much better. It feels like it has more than 200 cc. It's nice, it's amazing, cannot complain at all. And maybe I should update you about my height, because I told you guys that it's a little bit too tall for me, that I'm tiptoeing. I just have to learn, because it will not be the only bike which is taller than me or too tall for me. So I just have to learn how to deal with it. And I'm proving my skills all the time. So it's not that bad, and it's not that tall either. Like I'm 165, so I'm pretty small actually to ride a motorcycle. I just try to avoid some situations with the Xpulse that I could easily handle with the Rusi because it's smaller. For example, I change my technique of turning the bike if it's a little bit steep, because I know if I put my foot down, the Xpulse will start to lean and I cannot hold it anymore. So at some point, I'm just changing the techniques of how to do things, how to turn the bike, where to stop, like where I park, things like that. And since then, it's going pretty good. And off-road, don't put my feet down. I really don't put my feet down, and if I have to, I slide to one side with my ass. So since then, it's fine. Oh, that's really cute. Oh. The plan for today is I'm driving from Kalayaan to Santa Rosa. I actually would continue my loop to Samar and Albay, but I want to do something in Santa Rosa. I want to get a memory forever on my skin. Haha. That's the plan. That's the plan. And I cannot wait to get it. And look, we have perfect weather today. It's not even cloudy, I mean a little bit, but looks like we have good weather today. Wow, that makes me happy. I think I am definitely a good weather rider. I need good weather to enjoy it. I mean, I still enjoy it, but not that much. Jam pilleman otse, pilleman otse ash, jam pilleman otse, otse ash. And another thing, it's so easy to put it in neutral. Super easy. Blah blah blah, get your lovey-dovey sail, number six, started in. Everybody singing along, but a new shit, stand over the bench, so I'm never gonna, this is a new shit. So let's entertain you. Everybody sing along. We know. You know, the only thing in traffic is that the Xpulse is wider than a scooter. That means I cannot squeeze in most of the time if I don't have enough space. Here, for example, no chance. Is too fast. They would. Wow, that looks fancy. Traffic. And we're not in Manila. We're in Parian. He was like, okay, go. But then the second one was coming. He's like, okay, ¿Qué pasa? Oh my God, did you just hear? Let me go and back in stop. Traffic is so crazy in the Philippines. Really, really crazy. But you know what? I'm not stressed about it anymore. At least I can laugh about it. Oh. That would be a perfect example of when to stop and not just drive. Alright, at least I didn't kill anybody. I never stop to believe in magic. Oof. Looks like Santa Rosa has the same old Spanish buildings like Vegan. Look at that. Nice. What a surprise.
Hello everybody, now with my face, and as I told you, I do something super exciting today because I'm in a tattoo studio with
Batman.
with Batman.
Yeah.
So he will do a tattoo for me today. Batman, that's his real name by the way. And I need beer because he will do it freehand. So let's see how it's going, right?
Yeah.
Are we excited? Yes. We are excited. Super happy.
Nice.
All right, it's almost midnight. So I will check in my hotel now because we're done with our tattoo. I had a really nice conversation. I'm happy I met Batman, and now I'm ready to sleep. Thank you for everything. Yeah, drive safe.
So every tattoo on my skin tells a story. I chose this one for a reason. The classic bike is my Rusi, my very first motorcycle in my life. The palm tree stands for the Philippines, the place that changed everything for me. And the broken chain, that's a reminder that problems will always show up on the roads and in life, but every single one of them is doable. This is a tattoo for a new chapter, and by stepping out of my comfort zone, I'm starting a completely new one.
party. I have no clue where it is. Is this Oyo? Oyo? Yeah. It's not working.
You have personal ID?
Yeah. Booking.com. I have booking. Now, yeah.
Where?
Lucia?
Lucia?
Lucia.